Hello Internet, Matthew here with another episode of Whiteboard Hero, where I bring you an expert in a thing and you learn about that thing from that expert. I'm here today with the lovely Andrea Cillo, and today we are going to talk about
what to look for in an acupuncturist.
Okay, so what do we look for in an acupuncturist?
Well, you want to make sure that they're pretty.
That's
no,
number one. I could tell that was my priority.
So the number one thing I'd say to look for in an acupuncturist, as you would in any doctor, is what is their education. And that's where we have certified versus licensed. A certified acupuncturist is somebody who is a medical doctor, so an MD, a DO, a DDS, a doctor of chiropractic medicine, whatever that doctorate is in. They go through basically an abridged course. So they take about 300 hours to really learn the basics, how to do point prescriptions, things, where the points are located, and then they're kind of sent off on their own to do the rest of the research themselves, should they choose to do so. A licensed acupuncturist is somebody who goes through the full master's program. So this is over 3,000 hours of education, and it delves far deeper into theory and why we have these point prescriptions and why I would choose this point over that one, rather than you have dampness, I'm going to use spleen 9. So sometimes spleen 3 might be a better point, and somebody who is licensed will have a better understanding of why you would choose one point over another. Nothing wrong with certified acupuncturists. It's just that they don't have, again, that deeper theory. So if you're really looking for somebody who's going to get into the nitty-gritty and truly understand why you have the condition that you have, see somebody who's licensed. So.
Okay, so if I had a guess, I'm going to guess, and you can correct me, that certifications kind of arose because doctors who already went through all this medical training figured, because, and this is true of any medical professional, you have to have continuing ed credits, you have to go out and constantly get educated, and that's a great thing. So this kind of arose because doctors figure, well, I have all this other training, this is just another thing. Again, not to bash anybody or downplay what they do, but am I right in assuming that's kind of how this arose?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Okay.
So, and doctors are busy too, and they're seeing that there's a really great opportunity on the horizon with some natural medicine, and so this is just a quick way for them to really get the basics.
And kind of add to their own repertoire.
And add it to their own repertoire, exactly.
Right, so that's why anyone would want to find somebody who's licensed. You basically, a doctor kind of started from the top down, a licensed acupuncturist will start from the bottom up.
Yeah, so, and again, because, again, we're learning a lot more about the theory, and so we don't just take the body within Western medicine and how that functions. We understand it very differently within Chinese medicine, and a licensed acupuncturist is going to get a deeper understanding of those intricacies and therefore create a better point prescription for you, rather than this is true, then I'm going to do this, which is a very Western medical way of thinking, very linear, and Chinese medicine was not developed in that way.
Right.
So
it's a lot more, well, cyclical.
Circular. Yeah, it's circular. Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, that's a very simple breakdown. I really appreciate that. Sure. And of course, if you're in the Long Island area, as always, I will be leaving Andrea's information somewhere here-ish on the screen. You can go and check her out. So from Andrea and Matt, this has been another episode of Whiteboard Hero. Hope you got some value. Catch you on the next one.
See ya.